The spool ran out on my Black & Decker 20 volt max. So I got this spool kit. I want to show you this. So I was pretty excited to see this kit that has 12 spools in it, 2 caps and 2 springs. I couldn't turn this down. So let me just show you how everything compares up. Springs are identical, a little bit of different material, but they feel exactly the same. The caps, spot on, measures up exactly, and I've actually put this cap on here and it works fine. And the 220 spool matches up perfectly on this side and perfectly on this side. You can see they've got a thin side and a thick side. It's identical. Let's throw this thing on here, make sure it works, which I'm pretty sure it will. The first thing I'm gonna do is feed this out, feed this guy through, stick it through the hole. There we go. It only goes on one way. This is my old Black & Decker cap. Snap it into place and we're good to go. All right, let's test out my skills. There we go. Works as intended. You get 12 spools, 2 caps, and 2 replacement springs. Now I just have to put them in a place where I'll remember where they are next time.